Yes, Finance Ministry has issued a notification today saying that they have increased the export duty on the entire fuel, ATF, petrol and diesel. Now this has an effect like a cess of 23,250 per barrel has been imposed. Now on this, if we see actually what the sources are telling us, that the crude producers, they were making a windfall profit because international prices, they are selling at parity at about 117 per barrel. So the margins that these crude producers were making was approximately 70 to $75 per barrel. Now that is why the government has decided to tax this windfall gains that they were making. But also the finance ministry sources are clarifying that this will not have any impact on the domestic prices to the consumers. In fact, this is being done to increase the domestic availability of fuel, because these crude producers were increasingly selling in the instead of refueling their own petrol pumps. So that is why also this export duty has been increased, so that they increasingly increase the domestic availability of fuel. Now if we see on the diesel, the export duty has been raised by rupees 13 per litre, on ATF by rupees 1 per litre, and on petrol by rupees 6 per litre. Also in this notification, it is clarified that producers who are producing less than 2 million barrel, they have been exempted from this additional increase in duty. And also to incentivize increase in production, if the producers produce more than their last fiscal what they were producing, that additional crude production that they do, that will not have this additional fuel duty that has been imposed by the finance ministry today. So this is a very important notification that has been imposed, and what finance ministry sources are telling, that finance minister herself is likely to brief the media on this entire notification, clarifying the various aspects of it. But basically this has been done to tax the windfall profits that the crude producers were making, and to increase the domestic availability of petrol, diesel and ATF.